What's going on, YouTube? And today I'll be replacing the alternator. So let's get into it. So yeah, I thought my starter was going out, and because it would take like 3 to 4 attempts to start my car, it was like giving that clicking noise, and then after a few tries it would start. So I was like, oh, okay, the starter's going out. But the other day on my way back home from the gym, my car died out a few times while driving, and it wasn't like I let the clutch in and RPM like drop to zero or anything like that. It just dies. So I got it started, and sure, I made it home. But yeah, definitely, I'm pretty sure it's the alternator now. So let me replace the old one with this new one I just got. So it's fairly pretty simple job for this. You're only going to need a 13 millimeter and a 15 millimeter socket, and yeah, that's about it. All you got to do is just take off the belt. Well, you don't have to like completely take it off, just take it off a little bit, and you'll be able to take the belt off just on the alternator. And then there's two 15 millimeter bolts that's holding it to the bracket, and then there's a 13 millimeter charge wire. So, but also I recommend just disconnecting the battery, so that way when you mess around with the charge wire or anything like that, you don't want it to like hit something and spark or anything like that. So yeah, definitely disconnect the battery first. So let's get started. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. You can see all you gotta do is just put the 15 millimeter bolt right here, and then you're just gonna like push it forward, and this will like bring this bracket right here, and then you just like slip the belt off. But you could just like rest it on that bolt right there, so that way you don't have to like mess with getting it completely off, and then you're gonna have to like realign the whole belt and all that stuff. So anyways, here's the alternator, and then you just simply pull this off, and there you go. And then there's the 15 millimeter bolt right here, and then there's another one right here. I don't know if you can see it. So you're just going to loosen those two, and then there's the charge wire right here that comes out. So once you get those three off, then you could just take a flathead screwdriver and just kind of pry it off. So all right, let's do it. Okay, well, I got the old alternator off. And oh yeah, don't forget about taking off this connector. So that wasn't too bad. It just kind of like fell out of place, so I didn't need to like use the screwdriver to like wedge it out. But yeah, it was it only took about like 5-6 minutes to take out. So you just got this two 15 millimeter bolts right here and here, and then this 13 millimeter charge wire, and then connector, and then yeah, pretty much you just put the new alternator in, and like reverse, put the belt back on, and it's good to go. Okay, I got the new alternator on. I just ran into some issues trying to like line it up. For some reason, it's kind of hard to squeeze this new one onto the bracket. So kind of had an issue there, but no big deal. And also the belt had completely slipped off, so I had to like realign it. And I don't know, these belts are kind of hard to align. But I mean, after fiddling around with it like 10 minutes or something like that, it got all together. So yeah, so I guess that's it. Hopefully it'll run good now and not stall on me. So I mean, I guess we'll see. But yeah, I appreciate this is a short video because it wasn't like an all-day job or anything like that, so probably just took me like an hour to do. But anyways, thanks for subscribing, hit the like, comment, whatever, and I'll see you next time.